Hello traders, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Just let me know if audio video is clear. Srinivasa, good evening. Good evening. Quickly let me know what is your view about the market. We'll analyze the chart. I was busy working on 2 videos I shared in the group and I was occupied there. So I had less time to look at the market. Together we will mark important support and resistance level, look into the global market condition, what is happening, everything. And then we will decide what kind of plan we can have for today. It's kind of, is it looking like a left shoulder ahead, right shoulder pending kind of situation? It's looking somewhat similar to that. We'll see about it. Maybe on a 5 minutes time frame you can see better. Left shoulder. Okay, again this is the head. Right shoulder ideally should be a small correction before the upside move. Market will retest 1,15,200, 15,200 zone. Okay, and after taking liquidity upside. Okay, we'll see what is the liquidation heat map saying for us. Those who are wondering what website I'm looking at, here is the link. You can go and check it out. This is the link what I'm looking at. For me, this model 1 seems a little better. Okay, liquidation at the bottom is near 1,14,160. On top it is near 1,16,400. So 1,16,400, 16,800, 400 might be what level of 16,000. Okay. Here 2 things I'm able to observe. One is the left shoulder, other one is the head, and then market can correct. Right shoulder it can form, later give a breakout, and then the length of this head, maybe 16,200, 400 can be the target towards the upside. So continuously this area was respecting, right? So we will avoid taking any trade here. And then other index, what is it doing, we will see. I don't want to change. You guys can see beautifully market has respected the support. Once I think morning only I had said, right, support level was already broken. I said once support zone breaks it will act as resistance. Now resistance I have marked. This one also, and here also you can see same thing. Market did not go above the support zone, now resistance zone. In BTC also the situation was the same. Gold, little bit it went up to the resistance, little pressure it would have created at the upper level, but later one more opportunity here it had given. So how you make use of the support and resistance level which I give in the market is up to you. Why I share that is reversal probability is high in that particular zone. Okay, freshly when those levels at now this zone is resistance, everybody knows, but morning the zone market was respecting, right? So did you check the new chart? I booked also, but they had the gray one and black one, and black one they said it will take 12 days to deliver, so I preferred black, so I booked in came. They said maybe end of this month I will get the chair. Gray one and all we had delivery in 2 days only. So Global market, we will see what is the sentiment right now. Dow Jones flat, S&P 500 not yet. We have not yet got the data here. Nasdaq also not yet. Okay, we have got the data. Everything is kind of flat itself at this point of time. Intraday support resistance series update, sir. I said if I get 5,000 views, more than 500 likes for that video, I will do part 2. Good evening, sir. Last Thursday said BTC 1,10,000, right? That hit on that day itself. 1,17,300 target. Who said? I said? Or you said? Akshay sir, welcome to the live stream. Good evening. Now here you can see this zone is acting as support. Market moved up. Now continuously this area is acting as resistance. My problem is directly if market goes up to 1,16,400 zone, right? I will miss out on the opportunity. But exactly near resistance entering also is a problem. So little bit contradicting it is. Ethereum has gone above the support zone. So once it goes above the support zone, this will act as the next support. If support zone breaks, it is resistance that you can see here. Now if it sustains above the zone, then this will become the base line for the market. That's what I'm seeing right now. No sir, I said that day Delta exchange not working, so you left from buy plan. I said that day Delta exchange not working. Thursday Delta exchange was not working, so you left from call buy plan. Okay, good if the target is hit. For me, psychology got affected. No, then why I should plan the trade? Again, when that downtime error becomes a little bit, let it settle, then we will plan. I was thinking. Which app I use for Nifty Bank Nifty trading? I use this one, Kite Zerodha. Key. Sensex also. Ethereum still has chance of forming a cup handle later going above the support. Those who planned at the lower end would have been in a very good situation today. Still, the support is now acting as resistance. If it sustains above that, only something I can plan, I'm thinking. Or else random entry if I take. Here also it's not sustaining that much, you see. Sometimes it will kind of give a breakout, attract people, correct, remove the liquidity, then move towards the upside. So that situation, if it happens, Upstocks is good for your view. I've not used Upstocks from the long time. First I was using Sharekhan 2016 those time and all. I was using Sharekhan. Later I started using Zerodha, and then for backup always one broker, like I'll just keep, okay, in case market oppositely it goes something or the other, one more broker simply I will keep as a reference. When I want to plan the trades, I will quickly look into that, because glitches, when it will happen, what it will happen, we don't know, right? So for that instance, one more broker, I'll just keep it as a reference. Did you try it? Is it good? Did you check the new chair that I checked? Did you try it? Isn't it too good? Yes, I checked the new this one. There is spring in that chair, so when I lean like this and all, it's very helpful. And we can stretch the legs also. It's good. But I could see Herman Miller chair, what and all we get. Those features and all is here. Only thing is headrest I could not find. Only this one is there. So like Herman Miller, yeah. Herman Miller, only the headrest if I have to buy, that is only like 38-40,000. So not so much this one at this point of time. It has created, however, we kindly request you to continue your education videos as they provide us deep learning and lasting knowledge. 9:30 a.m. strategy already crossed 31k views, which is truly remarkable. Many viewers find the strategy very engaging and it has reached. See, my goal has always been, I can say, okay, I sat with my friend, fine-tuned the strategy, everything. But why to do courses? Already you guys would have been fed up with so many courses and all those things. The idea what was there in my head is give the strategy, give you some examples, show what kind of scenarios you can handle using that strategy. If it works out for you after 30 days backtest, good, right? You are happy. If it's working for you, good. For me, views also, I think, I don't know, I've asked my team to turn off ads only. And when I last checked, I think mid-roll ads, whatever comes, that they have removed. I think only starting, ending of the video it will come. Why they don't do it is whatever YouTube revenue I get, I give it to them. I say, you guys keep the revenue for yourself. It's not too much revenue in YouTube. So that revenue, since they are okay, so they're keeping it in the starting and middle. But this portrait live stream and all, I always ensure that this one is not there. What is that? Ads are not there. I don't know YouTube shows ads or not. Landscape, I know maybe beginning of the video ad comes. Saravanas Kumar sir, what you're saying is right. From beginning, you see from the beginning how much education content I used to do. At some point of time, what will happen is day-to-day experience, what is there, updates, those only we can share. Certain things what we know repeatedly, if I say no, it will look like similar kind of this one. So when new concept is coming, which I feel okay, you guys also have to learn those concepts, definitely I am making those videos. It's just that previously I was saying I have less time to look into the market, thing, make videos and all those things. Now little bit time I have got, I'm utilizing that. Support still respecting, market falling from resistance. It's a nice correction here. Close to 300, 450 points. I like your mindset how to want to be different from generic side of it. Okay, thank you. What is this zone? How is this acting as the nice 618 level correction previously? Now 382 level is a strong base. Consider this as the recent swing. Then this zone is a good area. Only BTC I'm looking at. Other index also I have to see. Ethereum also, everything, if it sustains above the support, right, once it breaks, it's acting as a resistance. If it sustains above that, I have no problem to take bullish trade. Plan is to take bullish trade only. Gold fine, anyways, I don't trade in gold. Only for you guys I'm giving the setup. This one is acting as a resistance, this is acting as support. We'll see. Anything interesting we get means we will look into it. this lower base where market has corrected, enough liquidity it has taken. Any random bearish traders, more than what it wanted, market has moved. So if it sustains above 1,15,690, maybe idea is it will sustain above that, is what I'm thinking. And also I was telling you, right, left shoulder, head, and this, if it's a right shoulder, it should not go up to left shoulder range. It has to form a right shoulder here itself. So here any setup we get means maybe we can try. But there is always a problem of resistance zone not breaking yet, right? This resistance zone not breaking yet. That is one concern we have. So I like to learn price action. Do you have any course on that? In 2020, I made a course on price action. And if you go and check out my Traders 1 setup, there might be a possibility. It's a 50% chance. Let me see. Market, if it sustains, fine. If it doesn't sustain, then it's a problem. Correction, right shoulder if market forms, and then length of the market has chances of moving up to this zone, 16,200. So I'll place one order. Okay, I've taken the entry. So stop loss. Go here. This has to sustain. If it doesn't sustain, then it's a 1:1.8. So what we will do is until it breaks the high, at least so much I have to give as the SL. Okay, fine. Chance is 50-50 in this setup. Actually, it's not come to the bottom. See, logic what I would consider as a resistance. Market has again tested the resistance once, twice, thrice. So this time if it sustains little bit for trapping, it can go left shoulder, head. Market is trying to form a right shoulder. If this is the right shoulder base, if say left shoulder is so much, right shoulder should be at least 50-60% of this one. Not exactly if it forms a right shoulder equal to the left shoulder, that's not considered as proper head and shoulder pattern. With that logic, if this sustains, then market can move up for upside liquidity. That's what I'm thinking right now. Based on that logic only, I have placed the trade. Once if it moves to the upper level, maybe we can reduce the stop loss for this trade. Hello, may I know which platform you're using this crypto trading? I'm using Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. If you want, you can open account. If you open account using our referral link, you will get crypto community group access as well. That is one advantage. If you see morning, I've shared these zones. Support zone, market was below the support. Now resistance for BTC, Ethereum, all these levels. Same thing only was acting as resistance zone for the market today. You can see here, here also, here also. So now that resistance level has been tested too much, maybe market can break is what I'm thinking. Problem is little bit more if it comes. sustenance. It has to sustain. This data is not relevant. This data, will it go up to 1,14,000 or 1,16,000? Nice correction market has done already. So if it goes to 1,14,000 so low, now considering this area as resistance, anyone who's entered bearish trade up to this zone, it is fine. If it corrects more, easily these people will be in a very profitable territory. So after that, if market wants to target them, it might be very difficult. That is one problem here. Choke. If 1 hour breaks and sustains below 1,14,822, then expect 1,13,410, sir. Okay. 1 hour candle. You mean market breaking the zone? 14,800. Okay. We will see. As of now, on 1 hour time frame and all, market is forming a bearish flag pattern. That's kind of fine, no problem. If I'm looking at 1 hour time frame chart, then I have to plan my trades also, maybe on a 15 minutes time frame. So we trade on 5 minutes time frame. For us, shorter trends is what is required. So short trend, what happens, we will see. Took bearish trade in Solana around 183. Okay, 183, good. Maybe you would have captured some decent movement here. Now market, you see trend line support, it has come. If you want to trail the stop loss as much as possible, you can consider to do that. $1,100 pressure is there. Global market, what it is doing, still less clarity here. Which app that I've told? Today's strategy worked very well. 180 premium strategy. Today it worked. Don't think each day traders. See, by what do they say? Luck by chance, everything will work. Even one waste strategy also will work continuously 2-3 days. You forget about that. You see for 1 month it's working for you. Then you decide. That's what even I'm trying to. I have checked. For me it is working, so I have given you. So same thing, maybe if as long as you are getting the confidence, you don't trade in that. Just do paper trading and see what you can do about it. Today I've given two example video also. Same time I posted the video. So that also you guys see how it is useful in that maybe different perspective. Any doubts you have, maybe that doubt you might get clarified. Things like that, okay? So use that 1 month as a training month, things like that. Later you can decide. Just those correcting more than what I expected. Fine. As per this recent swing, this is kind of an okay level. If it goes below this, of course, stop loss is there. Support 1, support 2, support 3. That's fine. Little below the zone only my stop loss is. In case, sir, is it possible to provide SL for 50% of the BTC quantity? You can do that. You scroll down here. Here you click on exit. There you choose how much position you want to exit. You want to exit 50%. You exit now. Once you do that, remaining quantity, whatever you have taken, that will be there. This important zone, if market is breaking, then it has chance of going up to this zone. So if it goes up to this zone, then of course my stop loss I have to give, and then only movement. This is a make or break level. If it sustains there, fine, or else I have to wait for one more setup. I have taken the morning strategy and it worked. Also ensured the rules. Okay. Little bit seller's pressure is there in this particular. This high, no candle is breaking the previous candle high itself. One single candle has to come up to 50% of the zone, then only I can see potential. What just happened? I don't know. So my question on that time. Currently I hold 50 BTC. I need to place SL for 25 at. See that you can't. I don't think you can set stop loss for different kinds of position in different levels. Okay, that one, because the entire position it's got executed here. So what you can do is you can let's say trigger stop loss, for example this one here. I think this will take this. You click here, how much ever quantity you want to add exit, you can decide that for this particular lots, and rest stop loss you can get it to. Once you exit that position, let's say you exited 50%, then here instead of 200 it will look, you will see 100. So for that 100, what stop loss you can place, that you can do. Okay, so this though is not sustaining. Here if it gives a breakdown and move, I can't change the stop loss as of now. I'll let it decide. the if it forms a wick up to this zone and goes also, setup is gone. Almost there. Okay, fine. Stop loss taken in the first trade. Let me wait for one more setup. If I get, I will enter. Solana, who trailed the stop loss to maximum, okay, yeah, your trailing stop loss wouldn't have hit, so you're kind of okay. A support zone only again worked out, traders. After so much of holding based on liquidity, I expected movement up to 1,16,400. Market was forming left shoulder head, right shoulder also. So is this the zone? Let me cross check. This can be one more pressure zone from the buyers. That's what I'm looking at. It's gone below that zone, is it? Now if I have to take one more trade, I have that conviction that from the zone it will move up, but I don't want to risk one more trade very soon, right now itself. Because continuously, not even one candle is breaking the previous low and going. But as per my understanding, US market is negative, that is fine. One upside movement is still pending. Is it going to go after this zone or from this zone only? Little bit not able to judge. Someone was saying it will go up to 1,13,800 also. I have not looked into backdated data that much because as per his view it is 1 hour time frame. What if I place to order? This is the buying zone. If I miss, I'll miss out. See, you don't want to trade means you don't have to trade, okay? But I have placed one more buy order, and in case this fails, one more buy order here I have to put. So situation is like that, setup is like that, so based on that only I can decide. For me, in case all the weak players market is removed, so I have to place the entry little bit quickly. Can I reduce? Sustenance is important. Just one candle closing above this. See, like I said, here after giving a breakdown here, people who did not enter at the upper level, they would have entered. To create some trap for them, market might move up to this zone. But if directly market wants to trap the bigger player, this might be the base, right? From where it can correct, consolidate, and then move. So for this particular trade, of course, too much risk and all I cannot take. From my entry price, I've just taken 260 points stop loss, which is near the support. Actually, stop loss should be little more below the support. But if this is the base, later I will see. Okay. So for this, what can we plan as the target is? Let's reduce the stop. Let's reduce the stop loss. And target, we will minimum up to this zone. Minimum up to that zone. If it goes, fine. By then we will start trailing only is what I have planned. Market is a bit negative, right? I mean the US market, it's not too positive. It's a bit sideways only. So we would see. It is not breaking the upper level. Breakdown, retest, weak place, market removed. Little bit show the continuation so that I can trail the stop loss. Now, if you see for this particular trade, my stop loss is just $31 for 200 quantity. So target, let's say minimum I'm posting up to the zone. So basically around $100 will be my target. Approximate, I'm saying. Just sustain above this zone. If it's holding on within this range, right? Again, one headache. Isn't that retest? So the market should move down. Retest is there, sir, no doubt. Breakdown, retest, that and all is there. I've factored that in also. But see, market kind of formed a base, and here it has attracted some bearish traders also. To trap bearish traders, market is moved up. That is a retest zone. But by chance, if this is the main support, market doesn't, this bearish traders who have entered, where will they think about exiting? Maybe here new market has given a breakdown, means they'll think about exiting the trade here without giving opportunity for this bearish traders to exit. Market might not reach this zone. Before that only it can give off a movement. Okay, so if you keep regularly looking at the chart, psychological wise, what and all it will do is what, based on that only I have taken this trade. Now it can, no doubt it can act as a retest also, correct also, but stop loss for this trade compared to other trades, it is very low. So at this current point of time, if it sustains above the zone, I can keep trailing the stop loss and going. Everyone is kind of bearish. Everyone is thinking about this resistance tested many times. If it sustains, if many people are thinking of taking a bearish trade, like you said, okay, bearish trade, anyone is thinking here, retest people are thinking market will fall from here. To create more pressure, continuation possibility, is high. Based on probability, I'm saying, not necessary it will be exactly like that. Probability is there. But the move should be slow. But the move should be slow. If the up move, not necessary all the time move will be slow. It will be quick also. Quickly, if it wants to remove players, it will do that. Now, as per what you say, only it's come for a retest and things like that. From here, if it moves down, next one more entry also. I have told no, two areas I have to enter. One is near this zone after this breakdown. One more entry is near this zone. So two areas only. If market two times it takes my stop loss, then I'll give up on the bullish side. I'll just leave the setup as it is. I'll just have a neutral mindset, and then I will say, okay, fine. Let market in the future sustain above my support zone, which is now resistance. If it sustains above the resistance zone, then I can plan the next entry. Here also, if you see this breakdown and all, would have attracted people to take bearish trade. Now, hopefully, if this is the base, reversal possibility can be there. Trying my best to reduce the stop loss also for this trade. If this is the base, let it continue from here. Too much complication I don't want to do. If it's coming down only and then if it is reversing, Again, I can't risk too much. I should have some capital to take the next trade also. Capital is there, but I'm just saying 31 points USD is the loss, means that is reasonable stop loss. Correction started at weekly candles, sir. 1,12,000 seems to be test like sell on rise mode now. Just my thought. Okay, sell on mode. You're looking at 1 hour time frame. One hour time frame. There's no big what I use correction weekly candle. If weekly candle breakdown only, if market is going to correct, then okay, and this week you mean to say it's gone below the this one and it is sustaining below that. That's fine. 30 points is the loss what I have given, risk what I have taken. If that is the case, based on weekly candle, tell me, can I take 5 minutes time frame trade? Difficult, right? We can't take. For me, that psychology doesn't work. Taking trade, looking at the weekly candle on a 5 minutes time frame. Maybe looking at 5 minutes time frame, I can take trades in 3-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame. Looking at weekly candle, how to take. The pending upside move, if we get, that's fine. We will capture that and we can close. Traders for 9:30 a.m. strategy, 2 videos I have posted continuously within 30 minutes gap. Go see that, okay, after this live stream. Because I thought if I just leave that recorded video as it is, no, later I will not have the mood to upload. That is why quickly all the video, whatever it is, I just shared. So we maybe start holding positions in small quantity for 2 days, or this, what are your thoughts about? Can you help me? See, for me, I am not in that mindset of carry forwarding positions, which I used to do very long back. But for me, I don't prefer to hold any positions overnight. There is only one strategy, I mean to say in Nifty. That strategy is giving good overnight position profits. Okay. So that also I'll teach you guys. But for that, first we will see how this 9:30 a.m. strategy you guys learn how you make use of it. That strategy and all only Friday we have to execute. So two strategy, I think earlier only I said I'll give you. One is 9:30 a.m. strategy. Focus on that. See how it works. It's good or bad. You'd come to a conclusion. Once that is done, 3:30 a.m. PM strategy. That also I will teach you guys. Robin sir, good evening. I think you joined the live stream a bit late today. 71 people watching the live stream, only 25 likes. Today both call put both were near 180. Why did you choose a call option? In the strategy, whichever breaks first, 180. Call option broke 180 level. So I factored that in. Market trading near cost to cost itself, indecision it's making, that's fine. As of now, we are kind of in an okay place. Hopefully, as per my expectation, retest anyone has entered also. Their liquidity also market has got. So let's see. Let's see. Do you think SEBI will remove weekly option? Just your view. Maybe we'll prepare for the worst, hope for the best. If really they want to do it, let them do. I'm getting more comfortable with the BTC also. So when the rules keeps on changing in our market also, alternate other things also we can see, right? What is more legal? Trading in gold and all, I enjoy. Okay, I know price action, stop loss hunting concepts work there also, but they made that not legal in India. Forex trading is not legal. Crypto trading is legal, so I'm doing it. Yes, I know many people are saying, sharing view about gold and forex, all those things. But if it's not legal in India, my suggestion is, I'm not doing, and I don't want. I don't like to suggest other people also. What I'm not doing, how do I suggest? Yogesh Sundar sir, you please see the video. I have taken the position from 9:25 till 9:30. I think put option was trading near 150, 180, sorry, 150, 160 range itself. Call option was the one which gave us the setup. Traders, I'll turn off the screen, camera. How many of you have entered this trade along with me? Are you doing any monthly option selling, sir? Not at this point of time. Okay. Kunal sir is asking, can you give when we should not trade with this strategy? See, today some people would have thought, okay, let's not trade with this strategy because you know, market is very bullish and what kind of movement we can expect. Confusion will be there, but still what we did, we followed the same rule, executed the strategy. The idea is you backtest for 30 days, all kind of situation you will come across without making any loss when you do paper trading, right? So now little we will get the stop loss here. Sustenance. Now safe traders, please see that this area previously it was acting as resistance, later acting as support. Again this zone might act as resistance. From here market might correct a bit. So be a bit careful. This movement what you captured, if you're happy with that, you book and close. Now only I'm letting you know. If additional movement comes, fine. Maybe get your stop loss up to this zone also if you want. That also you can do. Letting you know early on. Okay. I know there are many safe traders here. I'll get my stop loss to this candle. This can be your resistance. This can be. You want to book means you book now. I think we trade 5 times in 9:30 a.m. strategy, sir. Only Monday hit the stop loss. Okay, maybe this week continuously 2 days it will hit. See, be prepared for anything, sir. In this strategy, risk reward is proper one. Okay, many people right, they stick to just 1:1, 1.5 like that. They exit. No, don't be those kind of people. Just give me a second. Someone is calling me right now during live stream. Now this market is not indecision candle. If this corrects, then it will be a problem. What you guys do is maybe get your stop loss here. Okay, another 4 minutes is left for this candle to close, but trail the stop loss up to that zone at least, so that $41 you will make, or $100 you will make, either 1:1 or 1:2, whatever it is. Now we will leave it to the market. Traders, don't get confused. I will switch to 1 minute time frame. Okay, I'll switch to 1 minute time frame, and now I'll see what kind of sustenance market is doing at the upper level. Because 5 minutes time frame candle, if I keep waiting, little more pressure we can see. 18 seconds, 15, 14. This thing is kind of in 1 minute time frame, it is trying to form a flag pattern, but that's okay. If immediately next candle opens above this, sustain, come on. Okay, now we'll get the stop loss here. Okay, so minimum we will make around $58. So that is the plan. I hope you're not getting any confusion looking at 1 minute time frame. This one, if it converts to false breakout market correct, means again how long I have to wait. That's not required. So let's see the sustenance. $18, $17. Is your price action course beginner friendly? Yes, it is. See, you just go and watch a lot of free videos what I've done on YouTube. Okay, from that only there's a lot of things for you to learn. Use that. Then you want course whatsoever you see. That's my suggestion. Sustenance. So we have trailed the stop loss only for a reason, considering that if this zone, if market fails, then no need to give bigger stop loss. We have already trailed the stop loss from here till here. Now whatever market gives is kind of okay only for us. With that mindset we will go. Now it is sustaining. I will trail the stop loss. Okay, I will change the target. You want to exit here, you exit. I have trailed my stop loss to max. Additional movement from this target, I will shift. I'm shifting my target. Okay. I'll change the target up to this zone at least. See, market reached the target. Okay, you guys want to exit, you exit now. No problem. We will see if additional movement, if we get, we will capture. Now it is sustaining. Okay, and then I think this extra gap what market is created. See, no matter what happens in this trade, for me, $94 like previous target what I booked, or else I've shifted the target little more. That I will take. This one, it feels like it will correct from here. We'll see. If it sustains, good. Now time for you guys to book the profit if possible. Okay, or exit from how much of a quantity. Let's say you teach very nicely. I understand your teaching very well and your strategies also are great. Try to teach more strategies like this. I'm telling you, right, learning 3 or 4 strategy in different kind of market condition, that is more than enough. There is no point in learning 10-20 strategies. Whichever strategy you feel there is high probability, based on that, if you just trade in the market and go only, you will see result. Learning 10-12 strategy, what you will do. If you see in our channel, in our course, we have given those strategy. According to me, those are probable, high probability strategies itself. So you have to think about 1 or 2 strategies. You have to try to master that. That's all matters. Okay. So last 1 minute. Okay, fine. I think this is holding means this will correct a bit. It might, if it corrects, why worry? Okay, trail the stop loss to low of this 1 minute candle. We'll take the stop loss and close if market reverses. Additional movement I get means I will hold on. Any opportunity to trade in Ethereum? Okay, this setup already I have given. We are market reached the target. Additionally, we are doing trailing stop loss to see if there is additional chances for me to capture. Okay, this is what I'm doing right now. Let me see other index also. See here also, breakdown failure, attracted people, reversal. BTC, same thing, breakdown failure, reversal. Ethereum, this zone is there. No, sir, little bit we have to wait. Let's say market moved up to this zone. Okay, I'm just saying it will correct. Later, if it breaks the zone, this area will not be the target. Next target will be up to the zone also. So waiting for that correction and then upside momentum would be a better thing if you see. Okay, market took the trailing stop loss around $97-98 profit. Okay, we are done. My trailing stop loss hit, and hopefully when you have closed the trade, additional movement we try to capture. It's fine here. This one, if it sustains little more correction, means simply headache. Why I was looking, because there will be sequential order. Course in that everything will be in a sequence, step by step and things like that. Yeah. Anyways, this trade is done. Market removed people here also. See, someone was asking, no, market went for a retest. Will it move towards the downside? It will attract little more people. Again, liquidity is there on top. To take that liquidity, market moved up. Looking at this W pattern setup, many people will think about entering bullish trade here. they are trapped. I was saying no, in Ethereum, in case it corrects later, it sustains above the zone 1,15,500. If it gives a proper closing, then this will not be the target. Even in BTC, somewhat similar, only it is happening. The next target will be this zone. So much possibility is there, but this zone market has to test again. Until then, you take bullish trade means it is a problematic area. Okay, anyways, the setup is done and almost 1 hour live stream is done. So many people are watching the live stream. Support the channel traders by liking the video if you learned something new today. And thanks everyone for participating the live stream. So good, we gave the trailing stop loss again this moment. Later, let market sustain above this zone. Maybe you will consider bullish trade. Okay, so that's about it. Fine, we'll take some time and maybe later look into one more opportunity. Okay, thank you traders, thanks for participating. Good night, take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Any further setup update, whatever is there, I will share that in the group. And also, if you want to access to our crypto community group where I keep sharing important support, resistance, how it works, right? When you get setups here, good opportunities you'll be getting in the market. So constantly, early morning itself, I will share those levels so you can make use of it. Okay, how to join crypto community group? You open account with Delta Exchange. The link is there in the pinned comment. After opening account, you can see the phone number what is there on the screen. Okay, to that number you send a WhatsApp message with your Delta Exchange user ID. Send WhatsApp message to this number. Okay, all right, thank you everyone for participating. Hope you had a good time. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care. Whoever has shared user ID, give us time tomorrow morning. By then we will give you access. Okay.